Hi, this is Venkat Narayana from Sunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss about find factors of numbers within range in C. This is continuation to previous video, find factors of number in C. Please go through previous video before going through this video. In this program, if we provide input as 5, then we need to get factors within the range from 1 to 5, like factors of 1 are 1, factors of 2 are 1, 2, factors of 3 are 1, 3, factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4, factors of 5 are 1, 5. We are going to discuss two approaches in this program. One is using for loop, second one using while loop. Launch Visual Studio and create C application. I already created a C application. Here we have main method. Main method is an entry point for an execution. First step is declare variable to store input value, int input printf. Please provide input number. We need to read input from command prompt. We need to call scanf function, scanf underscore s %d comma address of input. Next we need to check input is valid or not. If input less than or equal to 0, printf invalid number, else. Here we need to find factors for multiple numbers, so we need to use for loop. For loop contains three things: initialization, condition checking, increment or decrement. For int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to input I plus plus. Inside for loop we need to call find factors method. Find factors of I. Still we didn't create find factors method. Now we need to implement find factors method. Declare find factors method, later implement find factors. Void find factors of int input. Copy this line, paste here and implement factors method. Printf factors of %d or, if you want to find factors we need to use for loop. For int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to input I plus plus. Inside for loop we need to check condition if input is divisible by I or not. If input modulus I equal to 0, printf %d comma I. Here if input is divisible by I, then I is the factor, otherwise not factor. Execute this program without debugging, that means Control F5. Please provide input number 5, enter. Here we are getting output as factors of 1153. We are getting wrong output. We will see what is the problem. Here we have an issue. Add input. Execute this code. Control F5. 5, enter. We are getting output as factors of 1 are 1, factors of 2 are 1, 2, factors of 3 are 1, 3, factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4, factors of 5 are 1, 5. We are getting output in single line. We need to split this output. Here add one statement, printf new line, Control F5, 5, enter, and we are getting output as factors of 1 are 1, factors of 2 are 1 2, factors of 3 are 1 3, factors of 4 are 1 2 4, factors of 5 are 1 5. What we did in this program is, here we are reading the input from command prompt. Later we are checking input is valid or not. If input is valid, then it will go to else part. Here we are using for loop to iterate factors within the range. Inside for loop, we are calling find factors method. Here we have implementation of find factors. Based on input, we need to iterate from 1 to input. Later we are checking if condition. If input modulus I equal to 0, then I is the factor. We will debug the program to understand flow of execution. Put breakpoint here. Go to debug. Click on start debugging or F5. Later click step into or F11. Start debugging. Please provide input number 3. Enter. 3 less than equal to 0. False. It goes to else part. Here we need to iterate from 1 to 3. I is equal to 1. Now input is equal to 1. We need to find factors for 1. Here int I is equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 1, true. Here input is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, 1 modulus 1 equal to 0. That means 1 is the factor, print factor. Then I is equal to 2, 2 less than or equal to 1, false. It exit from for loop. Here we have output like factors of 1 are 1, F11. Now I is equal to 2. We need to find factors for 2. Here for loop will iterate up to 2. Here I is equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 2, true. 2 modulus 1 equal to 0, true. 1 is factor. 2 modulus 2, it's a factor. I is equal to 3, 3 less than or equal to 2, false. It exits from for loop. And we have output like factors of 2 are 1 2, F11. Now we need to find factors for 3, F11. It will continue. Factors of 3 are 1 3. Now we will change logic here. We will find factors using while loop. Remove this code. Int I equal to 1 while I less than or equal to input if input modulus I equal to 0, printf %d comma I. Execute this code, control F5, 6, enter. Here we are getting error. This code is executing infinite times. Here we forget to increment I value, I++, control F5, 6, enter. Here we are getting factors within the range from 1 to 6, like factors of 1 are 1, factors of 2 are 1 2, and so on. We will debug this program to understand flow of execution. Go to debug, click on start debugging, 3, enter, F11. Here 3 less than 0, false. It goes to else part. We need to calculate factors from 1 to 3. First we are passing 1, input is equal to 1. Here I is equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 1, true. 1 modulus 1 equal to 0, true. 1 is factor. I is equal to 2 less than or equal to 1, false. It exits from while loop. Here we have output like factors of 1 are 1, F11. Input is equal to 2, 1 less than or equal to 2, true. Then 2 modulus 1 equal to 0, true. 1 is the factor. I is equal to 2, 2 less than or equal to 2, true. 2 modulus 2 equal to 0, factor. I incremented by 1, I is equal to 3, 3 less than or equal to 2, false, it exits from while loop. Factors of 2 are 1, 2, F11. Now we need to calculate factors for 3. Input 3, it will continue. Factors of 3 are 1, 3. We have discussed two approaches in this program. One is using for loop, second one using while loop. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.